Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Long-run aggregate supply shifts can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by focusing on the core factors that change total production capacity. First, remember that the long-run aggregate supply curve represents the full potential output of an economy. It only shifts when there are changes in resources, technology, or institutional rules for production. Next, look at the options provided. Changes in interest rates or net exports affect demand, but a decrease in labor force participation directly reduces the total amount of available workers. Because we have fewer people working, the economy's total capacity to produce goods drops. This shift to the left makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.